everyone, Tsofata here from Lesikarats and welcome to another video. Today I thought I'll do one to describe taking a trip or a journey. Remember to like, share, subscribe and use the link below to get our Amazon coloring books made by yours truly for people who love and embrace Setswana culture. Do the right thing. Let's get started. Our video is about taking a trip. Mosipili. Mosipili is a trip or a journey. And another word can be loeto. Loeto is when you're going for a visit, going for a trip. Okay? Now, when you are about to go for a trip, you prepare for getting your trip thing on, which is ipaakanyetsa. Ipaakanyetsa. That means you prepare. You get yourself ready, whether that you get your car ready, you get your luggage thing sorted, but you get ready. Ipaakanyetsa. You prepare yourself, get ready. Then you pack your things, right? You pack your luggage. Merwalo. The carry-ons, the things you're carrying. So puta is to collect and collate. So that is luggage, merwalo, ditoto, whatever tickles your fancy. But you're packing items that you're going to take on your journey. And then you start the journey. Opalama terena. You get on a train. Opalama koloi. You get on in a car. Opalama sefofane. You get on a plane. Opalama sekepe. You get on a big boat / ship. Opalama bicycle. You get on a bicycle. Opalama sikuta. You get on a motorbike. Whatever tickles your fancy, you get on something. Otsamaya kadinao. You use your walking feet to go on your journey. Right? Opalama bese or base. You get on a bus. Opalama terekere. You get on a tractor. Opalama pizzi. You get on a horse. Opalama donkey. You get on a donkey. You get your journey on, whichever mode of transport you like. And then you go. Watsamaya. You leave. You go. Watsamaya. So you would say, Keatsamaya means I'm going. Bye. Keatsamaya. Or Otsamaile. They've gone. They've left. And then Wahoroja. You arrive. Wahoroja. You arrive. Gihorojile means I've arrived. The journey is over. I've made it. So, some lingo to just get you describing taking a trip, a journey in the most basic of sense. Hope that helps. Till next time. Bye.